Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you the details of the new Peugeot 5008 during the night. So I'm gonna do a little walk around and show you the details, the lights. So let's start here on the front. This is the new generation model. As you can see, we have the beautiful design. Look at the lights. We have the pixel LEDs here on the GT version, and then the seamless integration of the grille, new Peugeot badge, and also if I lock the car, you can see, so these are the indicators, and then you also saw, and I'm gonna do it again, when you unlock the car you have the lovely lighting signature, so like the welcome signature that greets you when you unlock the car. Then we move on to the side. As you can see, we have the Peugeot badge here on the GT version, the 19-inch wheels, and very nice and distinctive look for the seat pillar. And from the rear, look at this, the beautiful tail lights. And let me show you now. I will lock the car first and show you how the lighting signature looks at the rear. So again, we have the welcome lights. So if I press this, the car unlocks and greets you. Look how cool is that? Gorgeous. And overall the design, I mean, looks so good. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. And yeah, as you can see here, we have the hybrid, so the 48-volt hybrid. There are other options as well. You can go for the electric version, actually 3 options when it comes to electric version, and also there is the plug-in hybrid, but more about that during the review that I'm gonna film during the day, which is probably already live. Today I just want to show you like the details during the night. So yeah, before we check out the interior, let me unlock the car again and show you the trunk. Alright, so we can open it by pressing the button here. This is the 7-seater, so you can have the car either with 5-seat layout or the 7-seat layout, which we have on this model. Press this. You close the tailgate. You can of course do it with the button on the tailgate itself. And now we are ready to check out the details from inside, which is beautiful. Look at this. So look at the ambient lights. Look at this panoramic i-cockpit, and then also the lovely seats. You see the ambient lights at the rear as well. So without further ado, let's jump inside. This is such a gorgeous place to be, and let me turn on the car. Here is the start button and the eye toggles, and this is how the screen looks. The 21-inch panoramic i-cockpit looking gorgeous, the small steering wheel and the lovely ambient lights, and you feel so good here behind the steering wheel of the new Peugeot 5008. Let me show you now the colors of the ambient lights. So if we go to settings, you can go to customization and interior color. So there are different options available. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. I prefer the blue one, but also I think this one is very cool, very distinctive look. And yeah, actually this blue is my favorite, and there are various shades of blue available. Look at this, like the lighter one, almost like a bit of greenish, and then here you have this again yellow greenish, and also this is available as well. But there is no red color, for example, and my favorites are these two. So yeah, let's put the blue one, and then the eye toggle. You can configure which of those you want here. Then this is the gear selector for the EDCS automatic transmission, so the electrified automatic transmission of this 48-volt hybrid powertrain. And if we go back here, you can also customize the main touchscreen and the digital cockpits. So let me show you the views that we have here. If I press this, you can see that we are changing the views on the driver's display. and you can customize those views. So you can select what you want in here. LEDs in here. We also have the panoramic sunroof. You see the ambient lights at the rear as well. And overall, very nice layout. I'm a huge fan of this interior. Wireless charging pad, and then a huge amount of room in here. Speaking about storage room, you have it here as well, and this is the key. But now let's go outside and I will show you how the car looks with the indicators turned on, and also I will turn on the fog light. There we go. Alright, so this is the view from the front. And then from the rear, look at this. So the fog lights, and then you see lovely shape here for the lights and the lovely signature for those indicators. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel as there will be plenty of more to come, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.